So in today's video guys, laro naman tayo ng Anime Defenders. So in today's video pala guys, kunin natin ang Demon Portal na Mythic. So mayroon akong legendary. So let's start it. Okay talaga eh. Ang secret talaga ito. Ito talaga ang secret. So natin ito ang Bloomer. Kaya nakalagay tayo dito kasi. Ay, ito na mayunit. Kita ko. Ito yung kadagdag dyan. Pwede kong buto na ito. Skip all. Ito naman eh. Ito skip. Yo, bakit hindi na skip? Oh my god. Patay ba yun? Okay, bro. Come on, skip. No, bro, don't care. Upgrade ng blower natin. Ayan, guys. Upgrade lang tayo dito, guys. Wala nang kontakto sa mga kaibigan. Mga kasama ko dito kasi hindi naman ito skip eh. Abobo talaga. Inuutin. Joke lang yan. Diyan totoo. Fitness yan. Bobo natin to skip. What is your problem? Bobo skip. Just skip. I will be happy. So loud. My ears gonna hurt. Yan. Turn off natin ng sound. Para hindi ingay. Ingay tayo. Ano na nasungkar? Wala kang kwenta. Pucho. Uy, ano nangyayari dito guys? Oh. Patayan talaga. May defenders talaga guys. Oh. Nagdi-defend dapat. Hindi ka di-defend. Hindi, wag. Pucho. Oy, let me move. Bro, let me move. Damn. Oh god, seriously na boy. Seriously now. Bro, let me move. Finally, ba? Stuck for years. Damn. Couple 4. What do you mean by that? Oh, sige, 4 na talaga eh. Bobo talaga nakin kuno. Thank you. Bro, anyway, so keep upgrading natin to ang ating mga unit. So ayan guys, try natin get ng guys mythic at stop until I get the mythic so we can get the secret. Pero hindi worth it talaga guys yung secret. Ito kasi yung Demon Lord kasi nang kukunin mo ang hirap. Support na lang yan guys eh. Support. Ang Demon Lord support lang yan guys eh. So hindi medyo worth it. Pero worth it sa kasabay. So let's just hope na be thankful if we get that. Kasi yan ang secret na makakuha natin guys eh. So yeah. Don't be not grateful. Kasi kung wala na kayong unit at hindi pa kayo nag-grateful, hindi ka makakuha ng bless. Wedding nga. Totoo ba? Totoo na to. Bunggo ulo mo. Lunggo talaga guys. Sorry. Tagalog tayo dito guys. Ito talaga ang lakas ng unit mo. Lakas ng kanilang unit eh. Panuwirin mo mga damage sila guys oh. Wow. 2 million agad. Bilis man. Cheers na boy. So let's just keep upgrading. Upgrade. Yan guys oh. Regular game kay pro gamer. Yan guys, mga minions. Galing talaga. May mga minions. Minions, guys. Minions. Ayan. Minions, unspeakable to. Unspeakable 1. Unspeakable. Pucha, hindi na ako makagets ng pangalan. Totoong pangalan sang minion, no? So, let's just keep our reading and stop yapping. Yapper talaga ako, guys, no? So, first time pala ako Bad Liar, Stop Lying Junior. Probably wondering na lain ng aking dito po ang aking account guys, kasi binigay ito ng kaibigan nakin kasi sabi sa akin daw na laro ka ng Anime Defenders. So binigay ito. Tinuruan ako ng maglaro na ito. So nang marunong ako maglaro ng ito ng 1 week ko lang, marunong na ako ng aking ginagawa. Pucha. Yo, what's up my boy? Okay. Upgrade lang tayo guys, na upgrade hasta max level. Bong, bing, kapak. Need mo money. Chora mo data money. Bang. So yan guys, max ng Jade Fire Knight. Ang i-evolve ko pala to guys, ang Jade Fire Knight sa episode 2 kasi gagawa ko ng series. So watch them all, probably not, and like and subscribe, turn on notification, don't forget that. Of course you must like and subscribe. You can't watch it if you're not like and subscribe. Joke. You can watch it whatever you want if you're not subscribed, if you don't like, and if you don't even comment. But comment ng anything that you gonna say to me. So yeah, upgrade na natin to. Bang. Uy, naglalag na ako guys, oh. Nagtatumbling ako. Bang. Sana makuha ko ng itik kasi please. Oh, nakuha natin guys. Yes. So let's just find some people that's strong to help me, so we can win faster, because I don't want weak people like me, kasi ma-waste lang na yan guys ang inyong portal. So dapat nang man-need kayong help kasi grabe yung mga tank at bilis ng mga enemies natin guys. So yeah, punta tayo dito guys. So yan siya guys. So takas nito guys. Then boom, itik. Only strong people please, not pruway mo. Join ako. Nice one. 20%. Kaya dito guys, kasi believe it or not, we don't need luck. Luck need us. Gaya ito guys, oh. Naka-secret pa. Secret portal na. Bro, spoke too soon. So anyways, let's start begin. Anyways, let's put some money maker. Yan. Oy. Kaya rin ko guys, ha. Lakas niya kasi. No money. Okay, 2 times. Sorry po boss. Kasi be scared. Shivers going to my spine. Bro copy. That's it. Comment down below who's YouTuber that who said that guys, guess who said that. I just copy it because I watch his video. Shivers going through my spine. Oh no! Yo, bakit nila tinampas? Mga bobo kayo. Yo, I don't wanna lose already. Bro, don't lose. Don't wanna lose already, bro. Nice one, goods, bro. W Bacon. One times lang muna kasi me scared. Spike. We don't scared. Me no scared no more. Me no fear. Joke, I have a fear on God. Cause God is good. God is great. God made us. God made everything. So I believe in our God. If you don't believe in your God, well, start to believe God because He will give you smartness if you're schooling and everything He will give you. Just worship Him, bro. Not trolling you. Just worship Him and pray every day. Because He will give you anything you want if you just worship Him. If you're poor and you're worshiping God, if you die, you will go to heaven and you will be rich. You're rich there, but not here. So just stop yapping and continue playing in this game. Please give me secret, Lord. Give me secret. I'm hoping, Lord, nataga mo ko, Lord, secret. Biska na mo lang ni Lord. God heard that. God heard my say. I don't know if He heard that. Bro, let's stop yapping, bro. Pum pum pam 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 pam. Don't let them pass. Don't let them pass. Don't let them through. Don't let them through. So, yan guys. Wave 16 na tayo. At malakas talaga mga aking mga kasama dito guys. So, na guys, the Demon Lord, yan. 11,000k. Laki na lang guys, 11,000k. Pero, same time, hindi man worth it. I don't know. I just don't know. Bro, what I'm saying in my life, what I'm doing in my life, 10,000k. Uy, pucha, level 8. Personal lang damage, guys, Sana. In your dreams, buddy. Bro, we do not do enough more damage. I want to spawn point them. Pucha lang, panoorin itong damage, guys, Yan. 62,000. What the heck? Galing talaga, kasama ako naman natin, Pucha talaga. Man ka, parts, pero broke ka pa rin. Broke! I can't text this no more. Kringo. Bro, let me stop. So cringe. Stop being cringe, Nyor. I mean Milky Way. That's not my true name. Definitely not my true name. Not definitely my true name. So, ayan guys. Binigyan ko kasi ng kaibigan ko. Marami itong mythic. Sa next episode talaga guys, nang i-evolve ko ng Jade Fire Knights talaga. Bukas o sa Marites. Pucha. Tagal pa, no? Guys, may sabihin lang sa'yo. Kung ikaw mag-aaral, palaging mabagal ang oras. Pero kung hindi ka nag-aaral, mabilis ang oras, bro. I wanna kill the time. Time goes fast. Uy, yun ito. Marksman. Bro, that's trash. Joke, that's useful. I use that if Noob use that every day. Of course, I have that too. I don't know if I have it too. Why did I say that I have it too? Kung wala naman. Pucha talaga ako. Sorry. Huwag kang iyak. Bang. Valenciana. So, let's stop yapping. Let's continue playing this. Upgrade bagang. Yan, guys. 24 level na tayo. Sana maka 25 tayo, guys. Matapos natin to. At makakuha na tayo sana ng secret portal. Please. Please. I need to have that. Sick. Let's go. Bro, I'm the luckiest man alive. I am the luckiest man alive. I am the luckiest man alive. Bro, I am the luckiest man alive. Demon portal yan tol. Magakuha na tayo ng secret. Level 31 pa lang. May sabihin pala ako sa inyo guys ng ako palang kasama ni Ray Glitch. Kilala si Ray Glitch. Ako yung Gojo. Ako yun. At tong account yung guys nang binigay ko to sa tong Gojo na account nakin. Na-hack yun guys. Ang marami na ito yung secret. Nibibigay ko sana kay Ray Glitch. Pero na-hack yun. Di ko alam kung saan natin yung napunta. Pero may bago na tayong account. At I love being a noob. I want to go even further. I want to go back kasi galing talaga na akin maglaro nito. Joke. Hindi ako Hey guys, palaruin sa natin. Begin, join to me please. Secret na yan ko, no? Join. Carry kayo sa akin. 100% tayo lang guys, Kung di ko ito makukuha, bro, I will cry. I will pop myself. Join na. Secret na yan, tol. Bobo ka ba? Okay. Wait natin siya, guys. Kasi tutulungan ako, guys, Okay. Boom. Hindi na kayo. No, that's not the time, bro. Sorry. But it's not the time, bro. I'm sorry, bro. It's not the time, bro, because we have some issues. Wait, Sorry, bro. I'm sorry, bro. Can't help you. Bro. I'm sorry. So sorry, bro. I apologize because we have important to do things. Sir, nakatawarin ako ng Lego na yun. Sana lang. Please. Bro, don't leave me here. Kung siya nag-live, hindi pala. Hindi siya nag-live. Okay, me, bro. I'm nothing without you. Counting on you, bro. I'm counting on you. I'm counting on you. I will cry. Okay, 2 times. Sorry. Bro, I'm counting on you. Counting on you, bro. Counting on you. I'm gonna say to him ang counting on you.
Ayan mo pa kayo.
So, oh boy, I'm counting on you, bro. Promise, let us win. Bro, let me win, bro. So, I'm gonna tell them I'm a YouTuber. Me recording. Bro, tags me, you, tuber. Sabi niyo. Pucha, tags na lang lahat. Sana makita ito, guys. Kung mananalo kami, pasalamatan ko sa marami kasi first secret na ako ito. Hindi mo yun. Kasi isa nga pa guys. May Solar Slayer, Dragon Mage ako dun, at chance skin, Pro Gamer. At ano pa yun na kalimutan ko na. At Demon Lord. Yan. Pinakaganda din yung Dragon Mage. Laki ng damage kasi. At Almighty pa. Galing. Pucha talaga. Counting in the bacon. Pag hindi tayo mag-disconnect. If this disconnect, I will crash out. Crash out for real. I'm gonna crash out for real, bro. Counting on you. Kung nag-run out, be? Nag-run out? Oh my god, I'm gonna crash out. Joke, I'm not gonna be mad. It's just a game. But I will be mad. Bro, what did you say? I will not be mad if you're gonna be mad, bro. Stop it. Get some help. So, yeah, gan. Nalakas mo kaibigan mo siya, guys. Add friends natin. Add friends, eh. 100% kasi akin itong portal. Kasi bro, I'm counting on you. Kasi sabihin natin because it's my portal. Oh boy, hindi ko marunong mag-spell. Ito talaga, oh. Tindi sare, tindi kutsilyo di ano sino, di sare body bato, sipit na repeat. Forgot the guys, oh. Pucha talaga, no, lost memory si Paul. Okay. Kasi nakaka-count ko siya, guys, eh. Nagtataras ako sa bacon. Best of friend do talaga, so. Sa black spot, fruit na lab. Best of friend do. Trust mo yan. Yung PC. Sa black spot. Pero sa may defenders. Hungry shark. Hungry shark, bro. No, he said wish us luck. Of course, bro. I'm wishing on luck. Ang wish luck ko lang yan. Hindi mag-disconnect. Na, mula na. Hindi mag-burn out. Na, boy. Kung na-burn out, manumbag ko tao. Bro, Tagalog niya, hindi Ilonggo. I'll smack some heads. For real though. For real. Joke. It's not for real. I'm just joking around. You're a bad person if you fight a boy. If you got into a fight. But you're not a bad person if he started a fight. Just don't start the fight, boy. Kasi kung start mo fight, it's your fault. You're gonna get punished by your parents. Parents, you're gonna cry. Wee wee. Womp womp. Joke. Joke, 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 joke. I'm so cringe, 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 cringe. So cringe, 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 cringe. So cringe. Joke, not cringe. Guys, ang grade 7 na pala ako, guys. Yan na lang ng title natin. Grade 7 pa lang ako. Nung bata pa lang ako, guys. Bata-bata pa ako. Yan. I will tell you my age, 12. And I'm short. Yeah, boy. Little bro. I'm short. I don't know how did I become short. I told myself, bro, how did I become short? Want to be tall. Bro, in Facebook I say that whoever's that short never go to heaven. Bro, stop the cap, bro. Now, boy, bro's capping for real. Bro's capping for real. Nah, boy, give me your money. Mythic na. Mythic. Secrets. Yan, guys, nakuha ko na. Sabi natin I got it. Did you got it? Sabi natin, did you get it? Sana nakuha ya, guys. Sana nakuha ya. Please. Bro, please. Got it? Bro, tell me, bro. Dito pa ako sa server. Ay, nag-let na siya. So, ayan guys, pakita ko sa iyo ang Demon Lord. Nakuha lang natin. Level 31 pa lang ito, guys. Kuha na agad. 31 ba akong level? Panuorin natin, what? Kasi hindi ko nakita eh. Bawa talaga natin, oh. Bobo mo, junior. Grade 7 ka na. Ay. Bobo mo naman, junior. Grade 7 ka na. Nakita ko sa inyo, guys. I'm so excited, bro. Boy, I'm so excited. What's this, bro? Secret? Sana. Boy. Yan, si Demon Lord. Puta. Uy, ang ganda natin, guys. Me too pretty. No ka gay? Joke, not gay. I'm a man with a big muscle. Though you don't have even a muscle. Bro, look at me, boy. Siya, guys, si the Demon Lord. Watch natin ang dami siya, guys. Sana nakuha naman, guys, oh. Shiny. Masaya na ko yan, guys, kung shiny lang. Pero, we have it. We'll take it. Bros. I'm so happy, boy. B+. Putsang laki. Pakain sa natin ang pakain, guys. Pataba natin. Baboy ko eh. Kain. Saan ang secret? Secret mo. Pakita mo. Okay, so. Demon Lord. Add natin lahat. Bang. Yan. Uy. Paking dami siya, guys. Never mind. This worth it. Worth it ito, guys. Yung was natin na. Wala. Bigado. Walang pera. Then, ito. Paano natin may evolve ito? Demonic. Ano yan? Demonic. Paano yun? Kasi diba? Demon Lord. Kunin natin, guys, 100 times. Ano bang gagawin ko? I-evolve ko yung ng Jade Fire Knight o the Demon Lord. i-hold muna natin ang pan guys. Hindi the Fahrenheit. Kasi, good for other unit ito eh. Number 1. Spirit. Uy, third spirit na agad. Spirit na. Lactic na. Give me retro spirit. True spirit. Okay na. Kulang. So, yan guys. I-end ko na itong for today's video. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button. So, yeah. Bye-bye!